to my new hair. Hi, my name is Neha. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all my morning routine for 2021. Honestly, I woke up a few minutes back. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little low, but we're very cheerful today because it's a morning routine. I'm going to be sharing with you all I do in my morning. Now, this is not the usual time when I wake up. It differs from day to day depending on what are the tasks in hand. So today I was supposed to do a lot of tasks, so I thought of waking up early. My usual waking time varies from 5 to 7. So yeah, let's just get started with the day. Alrighty guys, I'm currently in my washroom and the first thing that I do right after waking up is to get my hair out of the place with a hair clip. Next thing that I do soon after tying my hair is to use a face wash. Back after doing my quick skincare, and I'm gonna do like a 2-minute makeup. Now I don't usually wear makeup every single day, like I don't even remember the last time I wore makeup because I just don't like doing that on daily basis. But since we're filming today, I thought of doing like a 2-minute sort of a makeup routine. So I'm just going to be using the basic products. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is this mascara. This is by Maybelline and it's their waterproof mascara. I really like to put mascara even if I don't wear any makeup. It just does the job quickly. I just apply one coat of it and it does the job. So I think we're done with it. It's pretty natural and I actually really like it. The next step to use a blush. Now I love two blushes currently. One is by Sugar and one is by Wet n Wild, but since I need like a very blushed sort of natural look, so I'm going to be using this blush by Sugar and it's in the shade Salmon Superstar. I really like it. So this is how it looks. I just like to dab it a little bit, remove the extra product and then just last step would be to apply a good lip gloss. So I'm obsessed with this one by Huda Beauty. It's a demi matte lip gloss. I love this and I think it's pretty good for like an everyday shade. Okay, so we are done with our quick makeup and I guess that's it. Alright you guys, so it's time for the fit of the day. Wearing this very comfy and cozy top with shorts because it's quite comfortable. And now let's do the next agenda. So I'm in my living area and I actually wanted to show you something here. So cute. So that was like a little garden that we made in our home. And it's just in a balcony and every day I just feel so happy when I look at those flowers, so blooming, so fresh. The next part of my routine is something that I have started doing recently and it's actually grateful journaling. Now I actually never thought that I'm going to be doing this, but since I'm a lot into manifestation and into believing in the power of positive thinking, I started doing this. This is actually called the grateful journaling. Now what you basically have to do is every single morning you need to write or maybe answer 3 questions in general, like 3 things that you're grateful for, 3 things that you want to happen today, or your basic affirmation for the day. And this actually makes a lot of difference because if you're actually only focused on the positive things that happen in your life, you won't be worried about the bad days. So that's what I have thought of, and I'm going to be sharing with you all today's agenda with my purple unicorn pen. So let's start. The first question that you have to answer every single day is 3 things that you are grateful for. The number 1 thing is that I woke up to a new day. The second thing would be that it's a windy day. I really don't like summers, so maybe wind could help. And the third thing is that I'm filming today after so long. The next question would be your basic affirmation for the day. So I guess my affirmation would be grateful for everything I have. I guess this is a very powerful affirmation, and we should be grateful for everything we have. We should not compare ourselves to others, and I guess that would be my affirmation for the day. And next would be three things that I want to happen. So I really want a chill and productive day today. I don't really want to take a lot of stress. I just want to be happy today. The second thing would be that I want my classes to go on peacefully. And the third thing is that I want mom to cook rajma rice today. It would be the best day. You guys, so the last thing that is a part of my morning routine is to study. I like to study from the morning itself. I just feel very fresh in the morning. So I'm going to be studying biology today because we have our practicals in a few days and really want to prepare myself for that. So I'm going to be studying bio today. I have 2 practicals to do. So let's quickly get started. That's pretty much it for my morning routine 2021. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. This is actually what I do in the morning. I don't usually do a lot of things in the morning. This is like a very minimalistic morning routine that I follow. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Comment down below if you would like to see my after school or after classes or night routine. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.